important note. I was extremely late for similar circumstances that could not be explained, and half of my entourage could not even make it to the hall because they are not dressed up enough they thought this was a very big event. They should be properly dressed, so I decided to just dump them and come over here. But I mean, I'm here, Abdullah Abubakar. Very sorry I'm late, but I'm here. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Yes, Commander.
Wonderful.
I would love to do that in introduction too.
Go ahead.
That is Commander Bobo Bayo II. Did I say more?
I better be late than never. We're here. I actually convened with my able Secretary General, and just like he said, I'm not going to jump into words again. Circumstances beyond control, but we're here, and we're glad to be here as well.
Minister of Defense.
Commander.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to ask Commander Bobo Bayo to be
whip. Yes.
Okay, yes, go ahead, Mother.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Madi Musa Kalono. I'm from New Jersey. I used to be financial secretary with Faldi, past Faldi.
And why are you late?
No, unfortunately, I was stuck in a traffic. I was stuck in traffic. I don't know, you guys have, I don't know if it's a Fire Force occasion in Maryland tonight. It's all over.
It's a match, yeah. Martin Luther King. Glenn Beck's match.
Very serious. So that's why I was late. Because I left New Jersey very early, but unfortunately I got here like 5 hours or 6 hours after I left.
So he's the financial secretary whose access is blocked by the